Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $4143.3450. Okay, we have seen a continuous upside after this particular level because there is a narrow pattern has formed and we have seen change in the volume at this particular level. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen the price has already touched a level of $43.82, as you can see looking at this particular chart. After that, there is a continuous fall. Okay, and now this particular pattern is trying to create this particular pattern, so chances are high that if the price keep moving above this level, probability of going towards 41.64 will be there, and if the price moving above this level, probability of going towards 41.82 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high can be seen above a level of 42.19, and then a further upside can be seen, which is showing that the price can move above a level of 4300. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a probability of going further upside because this pattern supporting an upside trend. Okay, remember that if the price keeps moving above a level of $43, okay, the price is already above this level, we can see there will be a further rise and chances are high it can move towards 41.82 to a level of around 42.19, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link also given in the description, we can join that too. There is a higher chances of further upside. Okay, and understand that it is already above a level of $47. If it goes below this level, then there is a probability of further down. Okay, but there is a chances that it will bounce back from this level, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall. Now the price, if it started sustaining above a level of 41.64, okay, the price is below this particular level and it is a strong resistance. So if the price keep moving above 41.64, chances of further upside will be seen. Okay, and then we can see directly towards next level of 41.82, and if that sustain, we can see the price will rise above towards next level, then that is around $42.19, and if the price moving above this level, a further upside can be seen, and then we can see there will be a further rise which is very close to its all-time high. Okay, at to a level of 43.31, and then a further high can be seen. Okay, now as I've already explained you that as soon as the price keep moving above this level and sustain above a level of around $41.64, that is okay, so you have to understand as soon as the price sustaining above this level, okay, or if it bounce back towards down, then we can see it can move further down. But if it started sustaining above this level, best you can do, you can trail your SL by 10 or $15. Okay, because this is a device chart, and the price, if it started going moving upside, we have not seen that there is a sharp movement of above 100 or $90. Okay, so you can trail your SL by 10 to $15, and as soon as the price started sustaining over this level, then the next support coming at a level of $41.78, and if the price moving off that level, we can see a level of $42.19. This is a resistance 2, this is the resistance 1. Okay, so by trailing your SL, at least you'll capture a high movement if the price started coming down, so at least you will save around 80 to 85% of the profit. But suppose if it started coming down, what we can see, suppose if it started coming down, we can see it can touch a level of $41.17, and if the price falling below 41.17, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around $40.52. Okay, after 41.17, we can see a level of $40.52, and if the price moving below 42.52, we can see the price will move further down, and yes, there is a higher chances of going towards $40.24. Okay, which is a support 3. And now once the price started falling below $40.23, we can see it will move towards $4,000. Okay, and once the price started moving below 4,000, there is will be a probability of further down, and then we can see the price will move towards 39.78. Okay, and if the price falling below this level, a further downfall towards $39.58, which is a support around 4. Okay, remember that as soon as it started going below a level of 40.47, then is the chances of further downfall, and once started keeping moving below this level, again trail your SL by 10 to $15, so at least capture a big movement towards downside also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. Overall trend is showing upside, so if it sustain above a level of 41 $64, we can see a further upside. 41.64, we can see a further upside. But if it started going below 40.67, 40.47, we can see a further fall. Okay, I'm given the mail ID is also in the description. You can mail me regarding any doubts or detailed analysis you need.